Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel specialized in designing MATLAB applications. This is a very simple and easy to build app. It is about picking colors by clicking on buttons. You can consider it as a starter to know some essential hands-on experiences to help you design more advanced applications. For example, it helps you understand the purpose of using a grid layout component and uisetcolor command. It also helps you to understand how to change the background color of buttons and how to reset them. Although the app is so simple, it can be used as a learning tool for pre-elementary schools and daycares. So let's see how this app works. Let's run it. We can see that it is flexible. We can expand it to any size we want. We can expand it to maximum. Now we can select any colors for any button. For example, this one, this one. Can select this color, this color, this color. Also, if we want to cancel, for example, we want to select this color, then we press on cancel. So if we do that, we have to embed if statements. If that if statement is not available, an error will be shown. We can select this, and we can select, for example, anyone, this one. Okay, then we can press, for example, reset. It will be reset to the initial color. Anyway, if you want the project, the entire project can be downloaded from the link provided below in the description. At the end, we would like to say thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see more advanced apps. Goodbye.